Hello and welcome back. In today's recipe video I'm going to be showing you guys at home how to make this incredibly easy low carb chicken noodle soup. Not only is this recipe high in both protein and fibre, but it's also packed full of vitamins and minerals. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe.
Begin by adding 900 millilitres of organic chicken stock, 240 grams of organic chicken fillets, 1 garlic clove diced, and 1 teaspoon of ginger diced to a pan and cook until the chicken is tender. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and place on a board ready to tear apart with 2 forks. This should be really easy to do if your chicken is nice and tender. The reason why we always say to go organic when you can is just because organic is treated better and it also doesn't contain any pesticides or added chemicals. Once you've torn your chicken into pieces, carefully place it back into the pan that should still be simmering away. Once the chicken goes back into the pan, I like to add the rest of the ingredients, which are 50 grams of spiralised carrots, 3 tablespoons of sweet corn, 2 spring onions diced, 4 mushrooms sliced, and the leaves of 2 choy sum. Once you've added all of your vegetables, give it a good stir so everything is mixed together, and then leave on medium heat for a few minutes. I like to probably do this for around 3 to 4 minutes. You'll then need to add half a teaspoon of chili flakes and 2 teaspoons of coconut aminos. And finally, give everything a big stir once again before serving. If you love this recipe, you will also like our mushroom ramen recipe. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you check out our playlist, Tasty Primal Meals. Enjoy!